Good morning, everybody. Today I am making baked potatoes in my Instapot. So I put the rack that comes with it, and I'm going to put about 2 cups of water in there. And then I'm going to put my potatoes that I just stabbed on top. So as you can see, my potatoes are different sizes. So I'm going to put my big potatoes at the bottom and my little potatoes on the top. Small potatoes on top. Put my lid on. Turn it to lock. And then I move it to the pressure cook button. And change the time to 10 minutes. And press start. And this will be ready. Has to get the pressure, probably about 3 or 4 minutes. And then 10 minutes to cook. And then you can quick release or let it come down naturally, which is about another 4 minutes or so. And it just beeped a couple minutes ago. So now it means it's been done the pressure, and now I'm just going to start the depressurizing. I don't need a quick release. I want it right now. I press this down the whole time, but it will slowly release the pressure. And lift this up. And then you check your potatoes, cook perfectly. So, perfect baked potatoes in 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. You could douse them in oil and roll them in salt and put them in the oven and get all crispy, but we don't do that. We're just going to cut them up, put some butter, salt, sour cream, and have them with supper.